Hello, my dear friends and viewers. This is Bangladesh. Now I am walking in Bangladeshi village road. This is my motorcycle, Gixxer FI ABS, Suzuki Gixxer FI ABS, made in Japan. This is my motorcycle. You can see here in front of my camera. This is Bangladeshi road, village road of Bangladesh. Now I am walking and showing you the scenery of our country. Please watch this video till the end and hit the like button, comment in comment section and subscribe StepView blog for more videos. This is Bangladeshi tree and this is Bangladeshi sky here. The sky is blue. Now I am walking and showing you Bangladeshi village road, motorcycle across in the road. The green paddy fields you can see in front of my camera. Please subscribe StepView blog for more videos. This is Bangladeshi village road. Now I am walking through across this road, wonderful road. This is Bangladeshi village culture. Quiet. This is quiet place. Silence and the bird and the frog and the field. So beautiful Bangladesh. This is wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. I am walking in a village road. This is Bangladeshi channel, StepView blog. My dear American friends, my dear European friends and my dear Middle East friend, this is a beautiful Bangladesh. This is beautiful Bangladesh. The sky is blue, the tree is green and the field is so much green. I show you Bangladeshi village road, village culture, village quiet, village street. Our country is so much natural sceneries, and this is the scenery of so charming. You can come here to visit our country. Our country is lovely for natural resources. So you come to Bangladesh to travel. I like traveling. I want to see American places such as New York City, Times Square, California, Los Angeles, other states of United States of America, and I want to go to Canada, Niagara waterfall, and other worldwide site for traveling. This is our beautiful Bangladesh. This is my motorcycle. This is my motorcycle Gixxer FI ABS. And now I am walking and showing you Bangladeshi village culture, village road, village condition, natural scenery. This is tree, green field and blue sky. This is Bangladesh, beautiful Bangladesh. This is village road. You can see here in my camera. Now I am walking at village road. StepView blog YouTube channel. Subscribe this channel for more videos. This is Bangladeshi fields and wonderful landscape of Bangladesh. Here, the water in the field, and now I am walking through across the village road. This is Bangladeshi fields and road, village road, rural Bangladesh, wonderful Bangladesh. So beautiful and wonderful Bangladesh. Please subscribe StepView blog for more videos of Bangladeshi village culture, Bangladeshi village beauty, and Bangladeshi village natural scenery. For this video, you can share your friends and like this video. Comment. Please comment in comment section how beautiful the scenery is. The scenery is so charming. You see here. Now I am walking Bangladeshi village street. This is our country, our Bangladesh. We love our country. We love our Bangladesh. Lovely Bangladesh, wonderful Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our homeland. Bangladesh is our motherland. Bangladesh is our everything. The sun sets in the west, on the west, in the sky. You see here the field, beautiful landscape, beautiful scenery in the afternoon. How beautiful the scenery is. It is very beautiful scenery. Bangladeshi street. This is the street, and this is tree, green tree, and the grass so green and smooth. This is green tree of Bangladesh. This is green tree. Wow, this is green tree. The leaf is green, so beautiful. The leaf. Our country has a lot of resource, natural resource. The sky is blue, the field is green, the tree is green, and the road is white. So charming. Please subscribe StepView blog for more videos, natural videos. This is my motorcycle, and this is my son, this is my elder son, and this is my younger son. I have two sons. His name is Hamza and his name is Umar Hussain. So beautiful, beautiful Bangladeshi, beautiful boys. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Thank you very much. And this is my motorcycle, Suzuki Gixxer FI ABS.